Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the core devices ready, update and restart your Apple TV, then put the JBL into Bluetooth pairing mode so it will be discoverable. Once done, make sure other phones or tablets aren't actively connected to the speaker. This prevents automatic reconnection. Keep the Apple TV remote and JBL within a few meters to guarantee a strong signal. You're preparing the environment so the actual pairing will complete quickly and reliably without unexpected drops or wrong device. Now on the Apple TV, navigate to Settings, then Remotes and Devices and choose Bluetooth. This is where pairing occurs. You'll see a list of nearby Bluetooth devices. When the JBL model name appears, select it. If a PIN or confirmation appears, accept or enter it on the remote. Pairing takes a few seconds. Once connected, Apple TV will route audio to the speaker. This step links the two devices, so audio plays directly through the JBL instead of the TV speakers. Finish by testing playback and setting the JBL as the preferred audio output under Audio Settings. If you want surround features, check Audio Formats. Adjust volume using the Apple TV remote or the speaker's physical buttons for best control. If audio stutters or the JBL won't appear, unpair it. Restart both Apple TV and the speaker, then repeat the pairing process. This restart clears cached Bluetooth states and usually resolves connectivity conflicts. Try moving closer if interference persists.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.